Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Each year, David and I grow a herb garden as well as tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. As a foodie, there's nothing fresher than that. I just step on a patio and grab what I need. I love it. Among them, we grow chives, and I use them in many recipes, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my chive butter. It's so easy to make, and every home cook should definitely have some in their fridge. With only 3 ingredients, you can make this delicious compound butter in next to no time. So my friends, let's get cooking.
You'll see how easy it is to make this tasty butter. In a bowl, we'll add room temperature butter because it's easier to mix with the other ingredients. Some chives, and a lot of them. Then freshly squeezed lemon juice. That's all. We'll mix the ingredients until very well blended. I like to use a fork as it makes the task easier. Next, we'll scoop the mixture onto the center of some parchment or wax paper and gather the sides to compact the butter. Now, we'll fold one side over and form a log, curling our fingers under to tighten it up. We'll roll it up to the other side, just like this, and then twist the ends tight. To prevent it from opening, we'll fold the ends under. We'll transfer it to the fridge and chill until it hardens, about 2 hours. And my friends, this is our chive butter. It's another delicious and versatile compound butter that is so easy to make. With fresh ingredients, this is certainly a recipe that you should make this summer. If you grow a garden, this is a great way to use up your chives. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!